Hey y'all, can y'all tell what we're about to make today on the menu? Yes, that's right, chicken pot pies. So we're gonna go on ahead and get started on the filling. First thing we're gonna do is go on ahead and melt a little bit of butter in this pan, and I did add a little bit of avocado oil as well. We're gonna go ahead and put some onions in here. We're gonna saute those down a little bit. This is just one whole onion. Then once we get that cooked down just a little bit, get a little color on it, a very slight color, we're gonna go ahead and add in some garlic. Just like that. You see that little bit of color? Now we're gonna go ahead and put that garlic in here. Broth or milk that you add, you get to the thickness that you like. You don't want it too watery. Just pour it on up in there and let that just go on ahead and warm through. Don't that look good already, y'all? And it's about to get cold outside, but this is good all year round. I love chicken pot pie. Now it is ready. Look at that. Don't that look so good and creamy? Filled with all of them vegetables and that chicken. Oh yeah, baby. Now I did make my own crust, so I went on ahead and just filled the pie pans up with the crust, and then I did make the tops for them. And I'm just going ahead and start filling them on up. Just take as much as you want in there. It don't have to be as high as I'm going to make mine. But like I say, I love these chicken pot pies. And just go on ahead after you get through filling them up and put the top on them. Let's top it on off. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I'm going to go on ahead and drop them in the oven, y'all. Who ready for a chicken pot pie? Yes, just like my grandmama. Here they are, y'all. They done. Yes, a little spill over has never hurt no one. Don't forget, you have to take them out of the pan. You know what? Matter of fact, you can eat them in the pan. It does not matter. These are homemade and they are home delicious. So now that you see how easy and simple it is to make homemade chicken pot pies, that you know what you put into it, go on ahead and go to the store or that refrigerator, freezer, or pantry, get your items out and go on ahead and make you a delicious chicken pot pie. All right, y'all, thanks for your time. I have got to go. I'll see you all for the next video. Bye.